Good morning, cadets. We are going to discuss the spotting errors, which is a very important question in UPSC GAT examination. So here, the first question, which is here in this set, is the road to famous monument passes through a forest. You have to find out an error in a particular part of the sentence. So which part contains error? That is answer. So where is an error in this particular sentence? The error is in B part. The road to the famous monument passes through a forest. So the has to be inserted in the second part. We are referring to a particular monument. When we are referring to a particular monument, then we have to make use of article the. Therefore, there is an error in B part. So the answer is B. We'll go to the next question. That is, our housing society comprises of 6 blocks and 33 flats in an area of about 1000 square meters. So A part is our housing society comprises of, B is 6 blocks and C is 33 flats in N, and D is area of about 1000 square meters. So where is an error? Error is in A part. How? Comprises of. So instead of comprises of, it should have been consists of. Remember that whenever we use comprises, of should not be used. So there is an error in A part. If it's consists, you can use of. So consists is followed by of, but comprises is not followed by of. So therefore, error is in A. Let's go to the next question. Now that she is living in her own flat, she cleans the window twice a week in the summer and once a week in the winter. So where is the error? Now here the first part, now that she is living in her own flat, correct. She cleans the windows, that is also correct. Twice a week in summer. Whenever we mention the season, we should not use the before the season. In summer and in winter. So here twice a week in summer and once a week in winter. So which part contains error? It's a C. See, in the case of morning, afternoon, evening, in the morning, in the afternoon, we can use. When we are referring to a particular time in the morning of a day. So in the morning, you have to use the. But if it's a season, then you should not use the. So it will be in summer and in winter. But when we talk about part of a day, that's morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. But when you talk about night, it is at night. Okay, I hope you remember this rule. In the case of seasons, we should not use the before the name of the season. We'll move on to the next question. With little imagination and enterprise, the tournament could have been transformed into a major attraction. Now here you see, in the first part, what is missing there? A is missing. It has to be inserted. A little imagination and enterprise. Now look at the second part. The tournament could have been transformed into a major attraction. It's a positive statement. So the tournament would have been a major attraction. So with a little imagination and enterprise. If some imagination, if little bit imagination would have been used, or it would have been enterprising, then definitely the tournament would have been a major attraction. So a little you have to use in the case of a positive statement when you want to convey something positive. Okay, we'll move on to the next question. These display the remarkable variety. A variety we say, or varieties. So a variety, then it is a remarkable variety. If that is the case, where is an error? Error is in B part. So these display a remarkable variety. It has to be a remarkable variety. Let's go to the next question. That is question number 6. If you have faith in Almighty, everything will turn out to be all right. If you have faith in Almighty, so where is error? Will turn out to be, it's correct. Okay, error is in A. In the Almighty. See, in the case of God, may God bless you. Are we using article? We are not using article. But in the case of Almighty, when you are saying, if you have faith in the Almighty, you have to use the before Almighty. I hope it's clear to you. So the error is in A. So let's go to question number 7. We'll take up question number 7. According to the Bible, it is meek and humble who shall inherit the earth. Now whenever you are looking at, first you look at this first part, Holy Book. In the case of Holy Book, we use the before the name of the Holy Book. The Bible, it's correct. According to the Bible, it's correct. According to the Gita, it is correct. It is meek and humble. When you are referring to meek people, it is meek people, fine. But only meek if it is there, then what should be done? Article the has to come before meek. It is the meek. When you use the article the, then you are referring to meek people. Humble, humble people. It is the meek and the humble. It is the meek and the humble. So error is in B part. Like example, the rich, rich people, the poor, poor people. Let's take up next question, question number 8. I am not wealthy, so I cannot afford to buy an expensive car. I am not wealthy, so I cannot afford to buy an expensive car. It's wrong. What should have been there? An expensive car. We are referring to car. We are referring to only one car. So article has to be used, either a or an. But adjective which is used starts with a vowel sound. So expensive, it starts with a vowel sound. Therefore, what should be used? Before expensive or before adjective, we have to use an. To buy an expensive car. So C, there is an error in C. So C is the right answer. We'll go to question number 9. Sunita opened almirah full of books and took one of them for reading. Quite easy. Almirah. So it begins with what? Vowel sound. So what should be used? Which article will come? And before almirah. Okay, we'll take up 10 now. Most people would have attended the union meeting if they had had longer notice of it. So here you will be confused a lot. If they had, absolutely no problem. You can use had. Yes, that refers to past perfect tense. But what is wrong in that? It should have been earned notice, a longer notice. So it has to be had a longer notice of it. If they would have been informed earlier, definitely most of them would have attended that union meeting. So here the error is in D. Had a longer notice of it. Had a longer notice of it. Let's go to 11th. My father is in bad mood today. Here, where is the error here? It appears to be correct sentence, but there is an error. There is a phrase, in a bad mood. So you have to be familiar with this phrase, a bad mood, in a bad mood. My father is in a bad mood. Okay, let's go to question number 12. The need to set up a good library in the locality has been in the minds of people for some time now. So where is the error here? The need to set up a good library in the locality has been in the minds of the people. So there is an error in C. In the minds of the people for some time now. So error is in C. The people. Let's go to question number 13. On my request, Lalit introduced me to his friend who is a singer and scientist. Who is singer and scientist. So what should be there? You have to use article a before singular. So it is referring to friend who is a singer and a scientist. Okay. Let's go to question number 14. This town isn't very well known and there isn't much to see, so few tourists come here. This town is not very well known and there is nothing to see. So kind of negative statement you are making. When you are making a negative statement, how should be the second part of the clause? So it's clause. Second one is clause. So how should be the next clause in this particular sentence? So few tourists come here. So few tourists come here. So article a should not be used. So few tourists come here. Okay, the error is in C. I think it's clear to you. He took to reading Times for better knowledge of the facts. He took to reading Times. It's referring to the name of the newspaper. So what should be, like here in the case of names of the newspaper, we use article the before the names of the newspapers. The Times of India. So he took to reading the Times for better knowledge of the facts. Okay, let's move on to the next question, question number 16. Now here, the accelerating pace of life in our metropolitan city has had the tremendous effect on the culture and lifestyle of the people. The accelerating pace of life in our metropolitan city has had a tremendous effect. In place of the, we should use article a tremendous effect. In a bad mood, similar way, a tremendous effect. Remember this phrase. Both the civilians and army men joined the First World War. See here, the First World War, both the civilians and the army men. So article the should come before army men. The civilians, the army men joined the First World War. So where is the error? Error is in B. And the army men. Okay. Let's go to next one. Question number 18. The school is within 100 yards from my house. Where is the error? Error is in B. Within 100 yards. So it has to be 100 means 100. It is referring to 100. When you are referring to 100, article should be used, which conveys the meaning of 1. So 100, 100. I hope it's clear to you. Question number 19. The majority of the computer professionals recommends that effective measures should be taken against software piracy. So where is the error here? The majority or a majority? That is the question. Remaining parts, they are all correct. So here it has to be a majority of the computer professionals. Of the computer professionals, plural, it's correct. And in place of the majority, it has to be a majority. I hope it's clear. And where is the error? Error is in A part. Let's go to question number 20. He obtained good marks not only in English essay but also in arithmetic, which was full of complicated calculations. Now here it's quite confusing whether in the English essay or also in arithmetics. Where is the error here? You obtained good marks not only in English essay but also in arithmetics, which was full of complicated calculations. Let's go to question number 21. The famous Dr. Chandra is only dentist in our village. So where is the error? Error is in B. And what is the error? Is the only dentist. The only dentist. It has to be the only dentist. So the has to be inserted in part B. Let's go to question number 22. This candidate lacks an experience, otherwise he is well qualified. This candidate lacks an experience. This candidate lacks experience and should not be used. We are referring to the abstract noun, and here this candidate lacks experience, otherwise he is well qualified. So part B is wrong. It has to be only experience. Question number 23, very important. A person I met in the theatre was a playwright himself. No error. Now a person I met, we are referring to that person whom I met in the theatre. If I am referring back to that person, then it can't be a person, which means any person. It is not any person, it is that particular person. If that particular person is there, then you have to use the. The person I met in the theatre was the playwright himself. So it will be in A part and it has to be the person. Question number 24. The War of Mahabharata is a full-length illustration of a righteous war. The War of Mahabharat, Ramayana, the Mahabharata. So before Mahabharata, what should be used? The should be used. The War of the Mahabharata is a full-length illustration of a righteous war. Question number 24 is over. We have to use article the before the name of the book too. So let's go to question number 25. The interviewer asked me if I knew that Kalidasa was a greater than any other poet. Now the interviewer asked me, absolutely no problem. If I knew that Kalidasa was greater. See, greater we use it in comparative degree. The will be used before the superlative degree of the adjective. But here comparative degree of the adjective great is there. So it has to be the greatest. So here than is followed by then. So it has to be Kalidasa was greater than any other poet. So the should not be used. Part B contains error. Let's go to question number 26. The reason we have not been able to pay income tax is due to fact that we did not receive pay on time. On time and in time we have discussed today. On time means exactly on that particular time, exact time, and in time is before time. The reason we have not been able to pay income tax is due to the fact. Is due to the fact. So here where is the error? Error is in B part. Due to the fact. Let's move on to question number 27. Even now when I see the spot, I am reminded of an unique incident that took place several years ago. Even now when I see the spot, I am reminded of an unique incident of a unique incident. Now whenever vowel sound is there, before that we have to use article. Yes, which article has to be used? You have to use article and. U is not a vowel sound. It's a consonant sound. U. But it's a vowel letter. So it's quite confusing here. So it will be a unique incident, not an unique incident. A university, a unique incident. So it has to be a unique incident. So error is in B. As soon as the teacher entered, everyone fell in a silence. C part that contains abstract noun silence. As soon as the teacher entered, everyone fell in silence. In silence. It is not in a silence, it is in silence. As he had taken only a few sips, there was still water left in the glass. He had taken only a few sips and therefore still some water was left. So when some water was left, you have to use a little water. There was still a little water. So which part contains error? B part contains error. Let's move on to question number 30. As I was to reach early, I left in aeroplane instead of going by train. It's very confusing here, but simple one. As I was to reach early, I left in an aeroplane instead of going by train. So which part contains error? It's a B part which contains error. I hope you have learnt many rules today, many principles of grammar. And if you get familiar with rules of grammar, then definitely you can do well in this part of question.